Hey everyone, I have another makeup look for you today, and finally I'm gonna be using my, what's this? Urban Decay Naked Palette Original. Yeah. Finally, I got this palette a long time ago and I have not really been playing so much on this. I don't know why. Maybe because before I got this palette, I was really, been wanting to have it because everybody was raving about the Urban Decay Naked Palette. They wanted, oh, it's so beautiful, it's so, yeah. So when I finally got it on my hands, I'm so excited. When I opened it and then suddenly I just felt like, oh yeah, this is just it. This is what's everybody been raving. But today, I'm gonna be finally using it. By the way, I'm so excited, and this is the look that I came up with. It's very sultry, it's appropriate for daytime, and you could also pump it up if you want to wear it on the nighttime. So I hope you like it, and if you want to know how I did it, so just keep on watching.
First, I'm going to be using paint pot to even out the lids. Then I will be taking buck and then applying and blending it onto my crease area. Next, I'm going to be taking Toasted using a smaller eyeshadow brush and patting it onto the inner 2/3 of my eyelid, leaving the outer 1/3 for the next eyeshadow, which is Hustle, and applying it onto the rest of the outer 1/3 of the eyelid to give some definition. Then I will just be taking buck again to blend the edges of my eyeshadow. Taking again that Hustle eyeshadow and applying it onto my lower lash line, just mainly concentrating color onto the outer portion of the lash line. Then I'm going to be using Creep again to even further define my outer V area. Then I'm just blending the edges here to make sure that everything looks very clean and really well blended. Then I will be applying some eyeliner and my favorite mascara. Then do a little of tight lining onto my upper waterline just to hide some flesh up there, and then applying some beige eyeliner onto my lower waterline to brighten my eyes. Giving my teeny weeny lashes some curls. Then I'm just gonna be using this beautiful false eyelashes. I always apply false eyelashes because I don't have much of it. Then I will just giving it some few bumps with the eyelash curler just to bind my natural and false lashes together to make it look more natural. And then I will be applying some highlights onto my brow bone. Now I'm just gonna be doing a little bronzing or contouring into my face just to give little definition, and also onto my nose. Then using this highlighter and applying it onto the tear duct area to give the eyes more brightness, and then lining my lips and slightly filling it with a lip liner, a nude lip liner from NYX, and applying some nudie neutral shade lipstick too. And lastly, I'm gonna be applying this blush to complete the look. So I hope you like this look, guys. Definitely you could wear this to work, and if you decided to recreate this look, please do share it with me. You can post it in all my social media accounts: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, anywhere else. So if you've liked this look, please don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel too for more updates on new videos that I will be posting. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, everyone.